How to schedule email out of office reply time period on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open the email app. Next, from the inbox view, tap on the menu button, then tap on the settings icon. In email settings, go down and open up your Outlook or Hotmail account. Then we scroll down and tap on Out of Office Reply. Next, go down here and tap on Out of Office Period. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on so that you can schedule the auto reply. In here, tap on the start date and time. So set a start date. Then tap on Done. Then tap on the start time. And then tap on Set. Now tap on an end date and choose when you want to end your schedule and the time. So set the time, so 5 p.m. and then tap on Set. And in here you can customize your own message, and once you are happy, tap on Done. And that is how you can change the schedule for out of office mail on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.